Hi, if you wanna unblock contacts on iPhone 16e, then firstly go in your phone app. Here make sure to select contacts on the bottom of the display and find contact you wanna unblock by scrolling through the list or by using this search bar. So select this person, scroll a bit down, and you should see this option Unblock Caller. By clicking it, you will unblock this contact. Now, another way how you can unblock contacts, or if the person is not saved in your contacts list, is by going in Settings. So in your main settings, find Last Section Apps, and then search for the phone app again. So if you scroll a bit down, you'll see this setting blocked contacts. And if you got any contacts here, then you will see it like this. And to unblock it, you need to click Edit and then simply tap on minus and choose to unblock on the right side of the phone. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.